Hello, and welcome to our video on forces. A force is a push or pull that can change the motion of an object. Forces are all around us, from the force of gravity that keeps us on the ground to the force of friction that slows down a moving object. There are two main types of forces: contact forces and forces acting at a distance. Contact forces are forces that require objects to touch each other. Some examples of contact forces include normal force, which is the force that supports an object resting on a surface; friction, the force that opposes motion between two surfaces in contact; an applied force, the force exerted on an object by a person or another object; air resistance, the force that opposes the motion of an object that is moving through the air; tension, a force transmitted through a rope, chain, or other object when it is pulled tight; and the spring force, the force exerted by a compressed or stretched spring. Forces acting on a distance are forces that can act on an object without touching that object. Some examples of forces acting at a distance include gravity, the force that attracts any two objects with mass; the electromagnetic force, the force that acts between charged particles; and the magnetic force, the force that acts between magnets. Forces are important because they're responsible for all the motion in the universe. Without forces, there would be no movement. Forces are also important for understanding how things work, from the way a car moves to the way a bridge holds up traffic. I hope you enjoyed this video on forces. Thank you for watching.